Microsoft 365 provides basic protection against malware for your business by preventing potentially dangerous files such as JavaScript, batch, and executables from being opened in Outlook. You can change or increase this level of protection by adding or removing potentially dangerous files for your business. From the Admin Center, select Show More, Admin Centers, then Security and Compliance. Select Threat Management, then Policy. Select Anti-malware. Double-click to open the default policy. Then select Settings. Under Common Attachment Types filter, select On. By default, this blocks sending and receiving the file types in the list. You can add or remove file types from here. To receive a notification every time a message containing one of these file types is blocked, check the two notification boxes and type your email address in the recipient field. You can optionally customize the message that is sent when a file type is blocked. Select Save, and you're done. To add additional policies, select the plus sign. The message you receive when a file is blocked looks like this.